Hello.
Hello. Meow meow.
This is part 2 of our STEM Monday activity because we needed that overnight period. So here we are with part 2. If you are seeing this and have not watched part 1, I would recommend going back and watching part 1 first. But we are here with part 2. We were making an overnight crystal garden. Okay. So here it is. It was in the refrigerator. Okay. Okay, so here remember Madeline picked green. So what we are going to do in order to see our crystals, we are going to carefully pour off this water, the extra water from here. And then I'm going to show you that sequel activity that you can do if you want. So very carefully, we're going to pour off this extra water. We're going to see. Oh, we have a lot of crystals.
Can you take them out?
No.
Because there's some loose ones.
Okay.
I recommend doing the extra activity.
Look at all the crystals we made. Look at our crystal garden.
It looks more white.
They are fragile. Okay, so you do need to be careful with them. Look at it, Liv.
There's some loose ones, but I think it looks really cool.
Not neat.
I recommend the green color.
Let's see. Let's see if I can take out a little bit. Show you.
I take out ice.
Probably hard to see on the camera.
It looks really cool.
So there's a whole bunch of those in our little crystal garden here. You see? Okay. So there is our overnight crystal garden. Remember we did Epsom salt and water.
It's only salt and water. Yeah.
We made a lot of crystals.
It looks like ice.
So the sequel activity you can do involves using this excess liquid.
What's a sequel?
Like the second part. If you want to. So for this, you just use that excess liquid that you just poured off from your crystal garden. Okay. And then you just need a plastic lid of any kind. Okay. And we are going to make a little sun catcher. But this needs to sit in the sun for a few days to really crystallize and to let the liquid evaporate. So this is something we'll leave. I can always put up a picture. But it's just something to do with this liquid that you have. You do not need very much. You just need to cover the bottom of the lid. And then you can, don't overfill it. But there's still some of those salts in this water, so it should crystallize, and then you can remember these are pretty fragile crystals. You could carefully poke a hole in here and hang it up in your window after it's crystallized if you wanted to make it a real sun catcher.
Yeah, make it a sun catcher.
So we're gonna I'm just trying to fill it. There we go. Okay. So we're going to find a sunny spot for this. This right here. Hopefully get some more crystals going. Bless you. Bless you. Go grab a tissue. There. So that is our crystal activities. So we made our overnight crystal garden, and then we're going to try and make a crystal sun catcher. So I hope you, yes.
Could you make multiple sun catchers?
Of course. Just need more lids. They still have a lot of liquid left, right? Then you need to have a place to obviously store the lid. Okay, that is it. Don't forget tomorrow, Tuesday, to to come by and get your kit, and then we'll be back on Wednesday with stories.
Maybe I'll
Okay?
be there
Okay.
too.
Bye.
Bye bye.